as I belong to normal family, so there was issues to paying whole fees at once. Hi sir, good evening. My name is Vinay Kumar Chauhan. I belong to Gazipur district, Uttar Pradesh, but currently I am staying in Bangalore. I have completed my BTech from Purvanchal University in Electronics and Communication Engineering in 2021. After that, I worked in Vividian Technology, Gurgaon, for 6 months. Actually, I feel that there was not big improvement in my career, so I decided to drop that job and I joined this academy. Before joining, sir, I searched for many academies on Google, so I found many academies like 10x. So the main thing was which impacted me, that one mentorship that 10x Academy is providing, and one thing was the pay after placement. So as I belong to normal family, so there was issues to paying whole fees at once. So it was impacted me, and so I decided to join this 10x. So as I don't belong any coding background, so while after joining this 10x team at 10x Academy, now I feel to think about logics and go through coding. So, and the main part is whenever I stuck in classes or any questions on portal are given, so I ask my doubt to mentors on Slacks, and after that also I ask in group mentoring session. So even if I don't get whole answers, so I ask to one mentorship. So this is affected me, and I feel it is helpful for me. Sir, when I was visited first mentorship in stock module, so that I had no idea about this one mentorship. But that time she asked some questions to me, and I solved one question, but one question I could not. But after that, till now, I have visited one mentorship, but last two mentors are very good. They made me understand the problems, to think logics, and they helped a lot. And they also asked some questions I solved, and whatever I didn't know, I asked to them, and they helped me, sir. Every topic is favorite, but as to be honest, in function and classes, I feel little weak. I'm not able to get logic soon, so it takes time to understand for me. But array, it was great. I could understand very easily, and I tried my best to understand this function and classes logic. But still, I feel favorite topic arrays, because there is in array we can collect a lot of information within a single array, so we can implement it, sir. But the way of teaching, they are teach very good in very good way, and they make us understand every topic. If I don't get any topics, we can ask twice, thrice. So they try to answer all the time. They try to make us understand every time. So their approaches are very good, sir. In teaching method, sir, they teach according to their best, and we also try to learn according to our strength. How could we can get, sir? The main problem is that someone can understand because they are from the coding background, but for us who are not from coding background, they can face little difficulty to understand. But the teachers are good, experience. They are from MNC companies, and they have been teaching from 1 year, 2 years. So their experience are very good. They try to make us understand the thoughts. Till today, my overall experience is before I was not able to I don't have much knowledge about coding, and my experience is good now. I feel I can do